Jai friends, today we have the Hindu of 9th July 2024, and the first news is about the militancy in Jammu and Kashmir. 5 army soldiers killed in militancy ambush in Jammu and Kashmir. Ambush is a fight in which an opponent party has planned and sabotage your way. That is the word that we can use, and in the recent time the number of attack has increased, that there is the increment in the terrorists that induct in Indian border through POK. They induct through border because they want to sabotage India's peace and harmony in Jammu and Kashmir and the recent normalcy that bring in Jammu and Kashmir. And in that doing that thing, they just transform their name, and the earlier terrorist organization has now opened new and phony terrorist organization through they just targeting Indian defense personnel, and not only defense personnel but to the civilian and to the religious people to create disharmony. SC second news is SC say cancellations of NEET UG will be extreme last resort. In upcoming examination of any mains paper, whether it is in the UPSC AC, UPSC mains, or any lecture topic, the NEET exam or the education system in India is very prevalent. And when we are writing on that content and we are preparing lecture, we should mention that the recent plight of a student, that they live in this state of confusion despite giving their all efforts, and their paper leak, how the paper leak impact the mentality of a student, and cheating and malpractice. And while mentioning these, we also mention the way forward steps like more responsibility act of NTA and transparent body required. And apart from this, we also talk about there is a anti-cheating laws that can force to stop this kind of activity. So I request you to write on this in any write essay or report on this. It is a likely topic that can we expect in the upcoming examinations. This is a political news from Jharkhand, where Hemant Soren win the trust vote in induct 11 ministers into the Jharkhand cabinet. And Jharkhand, the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. It is a state of India that fall on the topic of cancer. This statement is true or false? Let me know in the comment section. SC order formation of panels, appoint VC state run universities in Bengal. Supreme Court order formation of panel to appoint VC of state run universities in Bengal. With governor and state conflict. It is a political issue that is in highlight in recent time in many cases, whether it is in Tamil Nadu or in Bengal or in Maharashtra or in Jammu and Kashmir, in West Bengal. They are frequently mentioning this issue, and this issue also related with the induction with the appointment of VCs of university. And recently the state of Punjab also raised this issue, and it is very much related to the future of students, as who will chair the university, and is more power given to the governor or more power given to the student or to the chief minister of that state. Downpour from Sunday snap lifeline of Mumbai city, get about 30 millimeter of rainfall, red alert issued. This news highlight the problem of urbanization and the city management and flood management and water management. And India's cities, or especially the metropolitan cities, are not up to the mark to live in, and to support the weather change, like the winter, the summer, and the rainy seasons. In rainy seasons, we see that there is a water problem in Delhi, Mumbai, and in regarding returning monsoon, there is a flood type situation in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai, or in southern India. I have two questions. First is, which kind of rainfall give rain to the India, and which kind of rainfall are case flood in the south in southern part of India. And that's so much said for this page. Move on to the next. Up government to keep in abeyance transfer of teacher after LG slave decisions. This is the domestic political news of Delhi. SC order inspections of nursing home for fire safety violations. In India, the fire safety violation is an important issue that should be keep in priority list while making any big institution like hospital, school, college, mall, because a lot of people gather there, and this, if any carelessness adopted during the construction of that building, it lead to the death of many people, not only human loss but also a fine economic loss of a huge amount. And we see that this kind of carelessness has observed. To overcome this carelessness, we need to timely audit and installations of proper facility in the area or in that building. SC agreed to hear CBI plea against SC verdict acquitting Kohli in Nithari serial killing. Karnataka set to begin Navyu Manujaro to inculcate social harmony among students. That kind of initiative are very welcoming, and we need to be harmony in society or in every age group. And with this scientific temper, and government has ordered implementation of Navyu Manujaro program from the academic year. And in this program, implementation of 2 hours per week with 3 periods of 40 minutes in all government aided and unaided primary and high school of the state. Order 1 period of value educations and 2 periods of social useful productive work has been adjusted to this. This program was announced in the state budget of 2024 to 2025. This kind of initiative work in society to the holistic development of an child, but we need to be cautious, and we need impart this kind of initiative in religious institution too, that help to bridge the gap, because in recent time we have seen that there is a gap between minority and versus majority. Bengal governor seek report from CM on action against top police officers. The issue that are in news today is about the recent election of Lok Sabha happen in the Bengal or in whole India. And in this specifically in Bengal, we see the post-election violence that happen, and that case of concern has case of concern for the democracy of India. And we just witness also that some people wants to meet governor for demanding justice, and they just halt in the gate of Raj Bhavan, and this attack was done by governor. This act was done by the police officers, and that is not an ethically, not an legally a right way to do so. And governor of Bengal seek white paper from this event. Next news is about Jarang Patel asked Fadnavis on day 3 of Yatra not to pit OBC leader against Marathas. In Maharashtra, there is a huge demand of reservations, And in this reservations system, revival of reservation system, Maratha demand their own reservation, and this reservations have raised another conflict within the Maharashtra, that the OBC leaders are raising their voice against the given space to the Maratha in the reservation system. Reservation has been an integral issue or integral topic of concern in society, not only in society but politics too, and it is likely to come in any examinations. And we also think that what is the need of reservation, what is reservation, how reservation are implemented in society, what is the present conditions for reservation, and what is the future. And by having opinion on that, we have clarity, we can take more transparent and more simple decisions that give contribution in society in every section. And we also aware about the ill impact of reservation, and the reservations that given are case the kill of democracy, rise brain drain, and in a way increase corruptions in the society. But on the same time, we have given the reservation to the people who are socially backward, economically backward, and this reservation can be asked in argument topic, that should be reservation abolished or not. This news is about Andhra will be the different place had YSR been alive. Rahul. And railway board pitch for European system put off Kavach rollout. As been railway, Indian Railway has continuously in hot water because of continuous accident take place in Indian Railway, and this highlights the need of reform in Indian Railway and Indian Railway system. Indigenous HPV vaccines, the rhetoric and the reality. It article talk about the health of India and that need the focus. A brewing duel amid Manila's dual engagement. This editorial talk about the dual engagement of Philippines, one side with the India and the US, where he get arm and ammunition and defense support. On the second side, he also having a relation with the China, the country that pushing his factor and backbiting and causing trouble to Philippines in South China Sea. A moderate voice for Sri Lankan Tamils. Share of women in unincorporated sector highest in the south. This is a very important article, and it is have the ability and the chance to come in upcoming examination in the form of essay and all, and there you can put this and get the result and get the best mark out of there. Way of energy saved by the Eastern Railway in Q1. The number of people affected by the flood in Assam. The rise in employment in 2027 sector or in 27 sector in 2022 to 2023. What are the provisions for police officers as a new law are introduced, and this law are going to be very much effective in certain field, like they in this new laws the definition of terrorist, and there is the separate terminology use definition of terrorism, and there's certain aspect that are forgotten in earlier law or have low punishment are now widened and deepen, seeing the grievance of the crime. What are the laws preventing tree felling in Delhi? This news is talk about an electric vehicle. What is the regenerative braking, and electric vehicle are impacting India, and they are going to be the part and parcel of India's developmental journey. And in this electric vehicle implementation, we are having some challenges, like in the form of having huge cost on electric vehicle battery, lack of charging stations and all. Once we overcome this situation, we will be on right path, and it not only mitigate climate change, it also reduce the sound pollution and given a smooth experience to the people of India. Ahead of talks with Putin, PM says will back peace in the region. As Indian Prime Minister is on the visit of Russia, and this visit is in highlight of especially in the eyes of Western media, and that's why everyone look forward to Prime Minister of India, that what sorts of understanding they build with the President Putin, and what they contribute to reduce war. A man accused in the Mumbai car crash elusive. Police issue lookout notice. Maua flag beef passed by Union Minister. Routine affair, say BSF. Campaigning conclude for tomorrow assembly by poll in 13 constituency. Listen to the people of Manipur, say Rahul tell PM after visiting state. SC reject West Bengal government plea challenging CBI probe into Sandesh Khali allegations. Congress is strong in all assembly segment in Haryana, can form government on its own. Mamta again say no to sharing Tista water with Bangladesh. This article has the potential to come into the examinations, and it is a recent talk that start with this sharing of water of Tista and the river of India, and this water sharing has discussed with the Prime Minister of Bangladesh recently, and West Bengal Chief Minister has issue with that. Firms should not misinterpret people with disabilities, Supreme Court. Hurdle in import diamond pose a quantum block to research ambitions. Double health budget, reduce out-of-pocket spend. Citigroup employment report not exhaustive. Government reopen PLI scheme for white goods till October 12. Restore interest equalization scheme. IFC leads 825 crore to the Tata Realty. Myanmar ethnic rebel captured an airport in setback for government. Arkan Army, the question that can be news, that can be in upcoming exam, that Arkan Army, an ethnic group, is very much in news. It related to Myanmar group, Myanmar Army, and Myanmar Army in somewhere else. So remember that Arkan Army, an ethnic group battling the Manipur junta, said it captured an airport service, the Contiguous class beach restaurant, making the first time resistance front have seized such a facility. They captured Thandwe Airport, also known as Ma Jin Airport, about 260 km northwest of Yangon, Myanmar biggest city. Second news is about Moscow. Russia court jail play right and director for justifying terrorism. A Russian military court on Monday sentenced a playwright and a theater director to 6 years imprisonment of charging a justified terrorism in 2021 play about women marrying jihadists in Syria. The judge sentenced directors Yevgeny Barkovich and writer Svetlana Patrichuk following a closed-door trial. Next news is about Boeing. US Department of Justice reach deal over Max crash case. PM Starmer meets Northern Ireland leader on UK tour. Kate Starmer made his first visit as UK PM to North Ireland on Monday, with hope high that the relations will improve after years of Brexit turmoil. He held talk with First Minister Michael O'Neill of the pro-Irish Unity Sinn Féin and his deputy Emma Little Fengeli of pro-British Democratic Unionist Party. Russian missile attack on Ukraine killed 31 children hospitalized in Kyiv hit. France faced coalition puzzle after left-wing surge in poll. That's from my side, friends. See you soon.